In today's lesson, we will be looking at volume of rectangular prisms. Volume of rectangular prisms. First, label the figure. Volume is length by width by height, or length times width times height. You'll see the formula written as just V equals LWH. First step is to write the formula, but remember that volume is given in cubic units. Examples would be centimeters cubed, inches cubed, feet cubed. First step again, write the formula. Volume equals length times width times height. Then substitute in the numbers 12 times 5 times 7. This would give you 420 centimeters squared. This also works if it's fractions or decimals. First, again, write the formula down. Then substitute in the numbers. Remember, to do fractions in our calculators, you use the ABC key, pressing it in between each piece of the fraction. So you'd press 3, ABC1, ABC4, then the multiplication sign. Volume equals 11.375 inches cubed, or rounded to 11 4/10 inches cubed. Determine the valuing of the following shapes. Again, every time you're going to write down the formula first and then substitute in the numbers. Put the numbers into your calculator, and this time we get 245 5/10, but it's a repeating decimal, so the 5 keeps repeating. So we're going to round that to 245 6/10 feet. Again, write your formula down, substitute in your numbers, and then put them into the calculator. 101 6/10 is our rounded answer. Remember, the squiggly looking equal sign means that you've rounded your answer. Final one, write down your volume formula, then substitute in your numbers, put it into the calculator. Again, you get a repeating decimal of 1.05 with the 5 repeating. So we are going to round this to 1 1/10.